how to attach an antenna like the MLA-30 Plus or the MLA-30 or similar to a radio like this, which does not come with an external antenna jack. Well, solution to that problem is pretty easy. You have several options. You can, let's try it out on the Chinese propaganda. Right there, watch the signal to noise ratio and watch the signal strength. You can, of course, just attach both wires to the antenna. Or let's start with just the hot wire. You can see we already get a much stronger signal. And signal to noise ratio also is a little better, but it's still, you know, we got some noise going on. So next option would be attach both to the whip. Oh, what happened? I think this the signal just died off completely. Let's try somewhere else. Ah, that sounds like nice music. So let's go again. So we got several options. Let's see. So you turn on your radio, and you can, of course, just attach the hot wire from the plus from the MLA to the whip. And as you guys can see, let me prepare the wire a little bit. It's kind of broken. Alright, so you can see signal went up, signal to noise ratio went up, which is good. But where to put the minus or the ground wire, since we don't have an antenna jack on that radio, we don't have a proper ground connection, right? Well, we can just not connect it, of course, and leave it, because we already get a better signal than before. You can connect it to the whip, giving you an even better signal, but still not, you know, it's not really the proper way. So the solution in this case would be to get a USB cable, you know, because this radio has a USB port on the side for charging. Just put it in there and cut off the other side of the cable. You gotta ruin one cable for that. And you take the black wire. The black wire is the ground. I think white and red are data, and green and black are energy. No, green and white must be data, and red and black are for the charging side of this cable. And then you, of course, just plug it in there. And you take your ground wire and attach it to that. And that's kind of your best ground you can get without tearing the radio apart. And sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. In this case, I'm not sure if it helps. Let's try some frequencies. You can see this one has a worse signal to noise ratio with ground plugged in. So, you know, you gotta try out. It's all trial and error. Radio Romania. See, signal gets much stronger with the ground. Too strong in this case. What do we got there? Anyways, you get the idea. Get an old USB cable, cut off one side, take the black wire, which is ground, connect the ground from the antenna to there, connect it to there, connect that one to there, see if it helps. If it doesn't help, unplug it, see if that helps. Maybe you can try putting it, holding it there, like this. Many things might help. Peace.